Hello and welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. This is IMO paper for class 5 part 2 previous year paper set A with answers and solutions. You can see the link of first video in the description box. New users subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications on the channel. Question number 16. Find the sum of the common prime factors of 168 and 315. So you have to find the sum of the common prime factors of 168 and 315. So first find out the prime factors of 168 and 315, then find out the common prime factors, then find out the sum. Next you can check out the solution. So prime factors of 168 are 2, 2, 2, 3 and 7. Prime factors of 315 are 3, 3, 5 and 7. Now common prime factors of 168 and 315 are 3 and 7. Now sum of common prime factors is 3 plus 7, which is 10. So correct option is A. Question number 17. Find the missing value. Now see the given expression and you have to find the missing value. So first solve the equations, you will get the value. You can see the solution next. Now see the solution of question 17 here. Apply the BODMAS rule and solve the equation like this. Question number 18. If circle divided by square is 13 and square plus square plus square plus square is 28. So 4 square equals to 28. Then what is the value of circle plus square? So from second equation we can take out the value of square. 4 square is 28. So what will be the value of 1 square? Now this value is substituted in first equation. Circle divided by square is 13. In this equation we will substitute the value of square. And then we will take out the value of circle from here. And then we will substitute the value of circle and square in the third equation where we have to find the value. Question number 19. Priya drove from Mumbai to Goa as per the time shown in the clocks. For how long did she drive? Now see the clocks. She left Mumbai at what time? Note down that time. She arrived Goa at what time? Note down that time and find the difference. You will get how long she drove. Question 20. Poonam starts walking from point C and reaches point I while walking through points D, E, F, G and H. If she moves only in east, north and south directions, then how many minimum number of times did she make 90-degree turns? Now see the given figure. Poonam starts walking from point C and reaches point I by walking through points D, E, F, G and H. She moves only in east, north and south directions. So you have to find the minimum number of times she make 90-degree turns. So join the points and find out the number of times she make 90-degree turns to reach point I. Question number 21. How many of the shapes of the given figure must be shaded so that 2/5 of the figure is unshaded. So see the given figure. You have to find how many shapes should be shaded so that 2/5 of the figure is unshaded. You can see the solution next. If 2/5 part of the figure is unshaded, means shaded part will be 3/5 of the figure. So now total shapes of the given figure is 25. So as per question, 3 by 5 is equals to number of shaded shapes upon total number of shapes. So 3 by 5 is equals to number of shaded shapes. We have to find out that upon 25, and number of shaded shapes will be equals to 3 by 5 into 25 equals to 15. So correct option is C. Question number 22. In the morning, the room temperature was 27 degrees Celsius. After 2 hours, it had gone up by 7 degrees Celsius. And then after 3 hours, it had gone down by 5 degrees Celsius. How was the temperature after 5 hours? So in morning, the temperature was 27 degrees Celsius, and after 2 hours it had gone up by 7 degrees Celsius, and then after 3 hours it had gone down by 5 degrees Celsius. So what was the temperature after 5 hours? So you can easily calculate this. You can see the answer at the end of video. Question number 23. The given table shows Kavya's weight on the first day of each month from September to January. So see the table. On 1st September his weight was 23.6 kg. On 1st October it was 25. On 1st November it is 26. 1st December 26.7 and 1st January 27.2. In which month did Kavya's weight increase the most? So find out the difference. So how much the weight has increased in every month, and then find out which month the weight increased the most. Question number 24. How many of the following letters do not have any line of symmetry? So find out how many letters do not have any line of symmetry. You can check your answer at the end of video. Question number 25th. The line graph given below shows the number of cars Jatin sold over the past 5 weeks. Now see the graph carefully. So on first week the number of cars sold is 2, and on second week it is 4, third week it is 3, fourth week 6, and fifth week 9. If we got rupees 20,000 for every car sold, then what is the total amount he made over the past 5 weeks? So first calculate how, the amount on the first week. On first week 2 cars sold, so amount will be double of 20,000, that is 40,000. Similarly calculate for all the weeks and then find out the total amount he made over the past 5 weeks. Question number 26. Find the value of P plus Q. Now see the number line. Find the value of P first and then find the value of Q, then find out the sum. So how do you find the value of P? You can see the second after 1, the second part has the value 1:2/5. Similarly, you can find the value of P. What will be the second part after 2? And similarly, you can find the value of Q. What will be the fourth part after 3? And then find out the sum. Question number 27. Find the number which is 2529 more than the number shown in the abacus. Now you can easily calculate the number shown on the abacus first and then add 2529 to this number. You will get the answer, and you can check your answers at the end of video. Question 28. What kind of angle is formed by the hands of the clock at 2:30 hours? Now see the time in the clock. It's 2:30. So what angle is forming? It's acute, obtuse, right, or reflex. So it's an easy one. You can check out the answer at the end of video. Question 29. On Monday, Himanshi walked 4:3/8 km, while on Tuesday she walked 3:2/5 km. How much more distance did she walk on Monday than on Tuesday? So on Monday, Himanshi walked 4:3/8 km. On Tuesday, she walked 3:2/5 km. So how much more distance she walked on Monday than on Tuesday? So you have to find out the difference. You can check out your answer at the end of video. Question number 30. Which of the following Roman numerals shows the sum of the smallest 4-digit number and the greatest 3-digit number? So just find out the sum of smallest 4-digit number and greatest 3-digit number, and then find out the Roman numeral form of that number. You can see the solution next. Now smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and greatest 3-digit number is 999. Now sum is 1000 plus 999 is 1999. Now Roman numeral form of 1999 is, first we'll split the number or write it expansion form, 1000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. Now Roman numeral form of 1000 is M and 900 is CM, that is 1000 minus 100, and that of 90 is CX, that is 100 minus 10, 90, and then 9 is IX. So correct option is C. Check out your answers here. Thanks for watching. If the video is useful, like, share and subscribe.